Hi, my name is Bettina Campolucci Bordi. I'm a cookbook author and a plant-based chef, and I'm extremely honoured to be part of the It's Time festival. I'm extremely passionate about sustainability, about the environment, about soil health, about our food producers and how and where we get all of our food from. I'm so honoured to be part of this amazing initiative and hope that you enjoy the recipes that I will be showing to you. Today we're going to be making a dish with leftover stale bread. So it's one of the top things that goes to waste in every single household. It's pretty hard and stale, and most people will get rid of this and throw it in the bin. I'm going to show you what we can do with this, and we're going to do a fridge raid, and we're going to add some things to this dish. So we're going to use up all of those vegetables that have sort of been left behind over the week. The idea is that you can basically use any leftover veg that you've got in your fridge, and we're going to make a mixture and just do a roasted tray bake, but we're going to add some extra crunch with the leftover bread that we have. I'm going to do a dressing with some Dijon mustard, sad looking carrots. I'm going to use up some leeks, courgette's good. Oh, look, onion, let's use him, half a cabbage. Let's see, anything else that we want in there? This guy needs to be used. I found some sad dill, so you can use any herb, but in this case I've got some dill. Before I start chopping up these vegetables, I'm going to make the dressing. I've got some Dijon mustard. Look at this. Not got that much left. Add some oil into this jar. Good shake. Okay. We're gonna add some maple syrup for a bit of sweetness. I love tamari, so it goes in everything. Tiny bit. Some salt. Garlic. Chopped into quarters. With your sweet potatoes, chop them smaller so that they cook quicker. Courgettes or zucchinis. The cabbage, always in season in the UK. Oh, hard bread. Get in there and really massage all of these veggies with this amazing marinade. So these veggies and this beautiful stale bread were literally going to be thrown away, but by sort of pimping them out and making use of a beautiful marinade, they're going to end up becoming this lovely dish. Yes, I've got my best friend, the greaseproof paper here. Look at that amazingness. This would have been binned. Instead, it's going on to our tray bake. Right, make sure that you get all of that dressing in. Distribute. Look at how many people this could feed as well. 200 degrees, just to get it nice and crispy at the top. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow, this is the fridge raid veggie bake with that amazing dressing. This would have basically gone in the bin. Instead, it's going in my mouth, and it's so good. Crispy. Proper tangy. Let us know if you make this. Like, subscribe and share, and let us know how you get on. Honestly, you just have to try this.